This is your last exam with the current portion. May 23 there will be a new exam, new portion. Okay, so try to clear the exam within this term only, December 2022. Okay, so that's why we have started this MCQ series. Okay. Importantly, we are having this class which is going on, paid class. So it is for BFM, ABM and retail. It is starting from 8th of August, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So be there in the batch. We'll be covering all the numericals, case studies, objective questions, everything. Okay, and you can check up earlier results also. Okay, and more on this later. Also, important part one remains is, why don't you download this app first? Adda 24/7 app. You download it because you'll get all the study material, notes, question banks, everything over here. And also join these officers at the 24/7 YouTube channel, because this series is coming on this channel only. So that's why click on the bell icon, subscribe it. Okay, let's start with the series. Okay, we'll be solving two numericals over here. Those are one-liner numericals which come in exam. A single cash flow in a specified future time period is called as single cash flow in a specified future time. Future means somewhere in future it is coming. So what will it be called as? Lump sum cash flow, annuities, perpetuities and growing annuities. Single cash flow. Okay, single cash flow means what? It goes singly, it comes singly. FD, fixed deposit. Okay, that's a single cash flow. So what will it be called as? Annuities. Annuities is a series. What is annuities? See this, it's a series. This 1 2 3 4 loan, giving full amount of loan over here, and then EMIs. Okay, RD, giving all these amounts over here, and in the end you will get something. Those are annuities. Perpetuities, same as annuities, going on for infinite time. There is no limit for perpetuity, but it's again a series of payment. And growing annuities, it's a part of annuity. So we want single cash flow. Do we want this? No. So the correct answer is what? A, B, C or D. Which one? Type fast in the comment section. Firstly, everyone please like the video, because if you like and the number of views and the likes, if they are same, then only the buffering is proper. So please like the video. Okay, yeah, so it is A. Okay, next, the process in which a present cash flow is converted into its expected future value is called as, here, when we are going from present to future. Okay, future, it is called as what? It is called as compounding. Okay, and when we come from future to present, then it is called as, anyone? Please kindly comment in the section, put it in the comments. It is called as discounting. Okay, discounting, right? Done, everyone? So what are we doing over here? Present cash flow into expected future. So we are converting from present to future. So where will we be? A, B, C or D? Discounting, compounding, balancing. What is this balancing? This balancing is nothing to do with the present value. Okay, so it's either A or B, discounting or compounding. So it is present to future. So it will be, right, comment section B, right? Compounding. The process in which the present cash flows is converted into future cash flows. It will be future cash flows is converted to expected present cash flow. So now it's a reverse case here. Future to present we are going. So when we are going from future to present, it is called as discounting. Okay, clear this point? Present to future, compounding; future to present, discounting. Value today of rupee 1 to be received in future is called as, okay, so this is important question which comes in every exam for CAIIB and JAIIB also, but generally CAIIB they give because it's a one-liner. So value of rupee 1 which is to be received in the future means what? It means what? Suppose if I have to get, let's say I have to get rupees 1 after 4 years. Okay, 4 years. So I'll be getting rupee 1, and let's say I'll write it over here, 1 rupee, I'll write it over here. Let's say the inflation rate is 8%. Okay, so what do you think the value of rupee 1 after 4 years? Okay, means I'll be getting this rupee 1 after 4 years, and 8% is the inflation. So what is the worth of that rupee? Will it be, I'll ask you simple question, will it be greater than 1, or will it be less than 1? What do you think? Means let it be any answer, be any answer. So will it be greater than 1 or less than 1? Means 1 rupee I am getting after 4 years and the rate of inflation is 8%. So for today, that rupee will be what? That will be lesser than 1 rupee, isn't it? Lesser than 1 rupee means what? It will be somewhere, let's say I'll give you an example, 0.69 something or 64. Okay, means rupee 1 after 4 years is equal to almost rupees 0.69 for today, right? So that's why it is called as what? Present value, compound factor, discount factor, yield factor. So the correct answer is A, B, C or D. Which one? Fast, 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 fast. Yes, answer is C. Correct. Discount factor is denoted by the which of the following? 1 upon 1 minus R, 1 upon R, 1 upon R into 1 minus R into R, 1 into 1 minus R and 1. It should be actually 1 plus R discount factor. Okay, 1 plus R raised to n. I'll write it over here because that's the actual definition. 1 upon 1 plus R raised to n. So which of them is the correct one? A, B, C or D? 1 into 1 minus R or 1 minus R into R? Is this the correct one? In JAIIB also we had studied this. Okay, so that's called as, here the real definition is 1 upon 1 plus R raised to n. Here question number 4, earlier one, this discounting factor and this is almost same, only it's asked in the slightly different way, and here the formula is asked. What does it mean? It means the value of rupee 1 which I'll be getting after let's say 4 years. So what will I do if I have to find out the correct value for today? What will I do? 1 upon 1 plus R, whatever that rate would be given, 8%, 10%, and n is 4 years. So I'll put that and then I'll get the value of rupee 1. So the correct answer is what? A, B, C or D? Correct answer is A, right? 1 upon 1 plus R raised to n. Okay, before going ahead, in this batch we'll be covering all the numericals, case studies, objective questions, theories, one-liners, all big case studies. Okay, so everything we'll be covering. So go for this case study as fast as possible. Why? Because this is your last exam with the current portion, and remember, next year May 23, even nobody knows what will be the exact definition of the portion, okay, or the details of that portion. And also the timings are adjustable, 8 to 10 night. Okay, so once you come back from the bank you can use it. Here, use this code Y432. How to use this I'll show you at the end. Okay, so let's go for remaining questions. Present value minus required investment equals to. So what is this? Present value minus required. What is present value? See here, if I'll be getting, I'll explain you over here. Let's say this year is 0 now, then 1 year, 2 year. Okay, so let's imagine after 2 years, means in 1 year, let's say I'll be getting, let's say 1 lakh rupees. Okay, after 1 year, then 2 lakh rupees after 2 years, and presently for that, means it's a machine, some investment I am doing, and presently for that I have to invest, let's say 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so what do you mean by this? Present value minus required investment. It means what? See, this 5 lakh is the investment because it's going right now. Investment. See, this required investment is 5 lakh. What is this present value? This present value is this 1 lakh brought for today, 0. Okay, this level. 2 lakh brought for today, 0. Okay, so what do? I use the discounting factor over here. 1 upon 1 plus whatever that R will be given raised to, here it will, for 1 lakh it will be 1 because year is 1, and for this it will be 1 upon 1 plus R raised to 1, and for this 1 upon 1 plus R raised to 2, and then we'll multiply this by 2 because it's 2 lakh, because 2 over here, and here 1 lakh, so it will remain as 1 lakh. So what is the rate of interest given? It depends on that. Okay, generally the rate of interest given is 10%, 12%, whatever that answer is. So once we find out the values, these values come over here. So these are known as present value of rupees 1 lakh and present value of rupees 2 lakh, and then we come to the total present value. So total present value is this figure minus required investment. That is known as what? Discounted value, compounded value, net present value, and future value. So it is Which one? You had studied this in JAIIB, right? NPV, net present value, right? You had studied two components over here. One was NPV, second was IRR, internal rate of return. And remember anyone? Okay, we are doing it, we'll be doing it the same in our batches also again for CAIIB, okay? So that's why I say join these batches, okay? Okay, now we'll come to the two numericals. Xavier is expecting a cash flow of rupees 10 lakhs at the end of 1 year. At 8% discount rate, what is the present value? Means he is expecting 10 lakhs after 1 year. So see this. This is 1 year, okay? And he'll be getting 10 lakhs. So what have we to do? We have to find out the present value of this. And what is the rate? 8%, okay? So what will I do? It's discounting factor rule. 1 upon 1 plus r raised to n. Okay, what is n over here? 1 year. Okay, so 1 upon 1 point, I'll directly write it 0.08 because 8%, right, raised to 1. So whatever that answer will be multiplied by what? 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs into this, whatever this answer is, or I'll directly write it over here. 1.08, okay, because forget this multiplication, because here it will be 10 lakhs into this answer. So 10 lakhs upon 1.08. If you do the calculations properly, you'll get it 9.25. Means roughly, which is the answer? A, B, C or D? 9,25,000. This is its present value. What does it mean? It means that if I am getting 10 lakhs after 1 year, they are equivalent to 9,25,000 for today. Why? Because inflation, this 8% is the inflation. It will eat up my 10 lakhs. Means what? Again in simple terms, whatever I can buy with 9,25,000 today, same thing I'll be able to buy at rupees 10 lakhs after 1 year. Why? Because this inflation will eat up my money, isn't it? So that's the meaning. Next, Ramya is expecting a cash flow of rupees 1 lakh at the end of each year for next 4 years. At 8% discount rate, what is the investment? So what are we required over here? See here it was what in this question? Lump sum. One time I was getting it. Here every year. Every year means it's a question of annuity. Where am I getting end of? End means what? Ordinary annuity. Remember everyone? Annuity, ordinary, annuity due, right? At the end means ordinary. What was the formula for ordinary annuity? Present value. And what do we want? Do we want present value or future value? What is the investment to be done today? Today means it's an investment for today, present value. So C into 1 plus r raised to n minus 1 the whole upon r into 1 plus r raised to n, right? The whole upon 1 plus r raised to n. So this will be cancelled, okay? So 1, what is C? She is expecting 1 lakh. We'll directly write it 1 lakh over here. 1 into 1 plus r 1.08 raised to 4 minus 1 upon r 0.08 into 1 plus r raised to n, right? So now do the calculations. This becomes 1.36, okay? So just it will be cancelled over here. 1.36 minus 1 the whole upon 0.08 into 1.36. So do the calculations. What will be the answer? Do it fast. I'll do it over here also. Okay. So it is what? 1.36 upon, it is 0.08 into 1.36. What is the answer for 0.08 into 1.36? Fast. 0.08 into 1.36. It will be, I am doing in the on the calci over here. So the answer is 6.12. Okay. So 6.12. This is my answer. Now 6.12. See here. What are we doing? C into C is over here 1 lakh. Okay. 1 plus R 1.08 raised to 4 minus 1 the whole upon R into 1 plus R raised to n. Right? This formula we are using. So what is R? 0.08. 1 plus R raised to n, 1.08 raised to 4. So 1.36. Here 1.36 minus 1. So it becomes 0.36 over here. Right? So 0.36 upon, do the calculations over here. 0.08 into 1.36. So it is 0.08. One sec, let me do it. 0.08 into 1.36. So it is 0.1088. Oh, that's what I said. How can it be 6, man? Okay, 0.1088. So 0.1088. Okay, so now what will I have to do? 0.36 upon 0.1088. So 0.36 divided by 0.1088. So it will be what? 3.3. Okay, so it is 3.3. Answer is, correct answer is 3.3 lakhs. So this much investment Ramya will have to do today if she wants 1 lakh rupees at the end of every year for 4 years, and if the inflation rate given is 8%. Okay, so look at this problem properly. It's a simple problem. The calculations do happen, means errors do happen even in your exams. Remember, when you have huge lot of pressures, you'll always feel the heat. Okay, so C into 1 plus R raised to n minus 1 the whole upon R into 1 plus R raised to n. Use this formula to find the present value. Okay, so you must get this answer. Okay, now going back to our this batch which is coming up, you have to use this code. See this, many of the students complain to me stating that the fees is huge, sir, but the fees here will show you how to reduce the fees. Go to Adda 24/7 live. Once you go there, see this, on Adda 24/7 you will see the front page itself. See this, JAIIB and CAIIB. Click on JAIIB and CAIIB. You will see 2-3 packages over here. See here, JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack and November December English batch, CAIIB English batch. Okay, you can go for either of these. I would always suggest you to go for this Mahapack. Why? Because this is like that OTT subscription, Hotstar, Netflix. You take a subscription once, and whatever comes during that subscription period, whichever serial comes, same thing, whichever exam comes over here, whichever classes come, they all are available to you. So go for that, and even this discount is available for that also. Use the code Y432. Even this English batch, same thing. Okay, so I'll show you that also now. Let's okay, I'll show you Mahapack only. That's easiest one, isn't it? Because it's all in one. You'll say, sir, this is 45,000, so huge. No, don't go for this 45,000. Click over here. Now look at this, 45,000. Say this. Firstly, read the details. What are the details given? Say this. 4 plus batches for ABM, 3 plus batches for BFM and retail. You are getting it. 500 plus case studies you will be solving. Okay, and you can ask the questions anytime. All the batches you will be getting. 30 plus for full length mock tests, you will be getting these mock tests also. 15 plus full length mock test on various CAIIB preparations. So those are enough. Once you go for these, once you do this much practice, there is no dearth, means you can definitely you will definitely be able to clear it. Okay, now look at this fees, 45,449. Click on view offers. Once you click on view offers, look at this code Y432. Apply this. Now look at what happens. See this, 77% off, means 45,449 reduces to 10,453, and this 10,453 you are getting almost 4 to 5 batches. Okay, so go for it. And also once you clear this CAIIB, this 10,453 you will be recovering in how many months? How many? Max to max 11 months. Remaining full life of yours, whatever you will be getting is yours. So go for it. It's an investment for lifetime. I'll stop over here. Tomorrow I'll come up with another topic, another MCQs. Bye till then.